In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a spiral notebook icon in Figma using a super quick and easy method. This is a great technique if you want to add clean professional icons to your designs without drawing everything from scratch. Whether you're building an app mockup, a presentation, or a simple UI layout, this shortcut will save you time and give you a polished result. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Figma and go to your design file. If you're starting fresh, create a new design canvas so you have a blank workspace ready to use. Once you're inside Figma design, look at the bottom of the toolbar and click the Actions icon. From there, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can access tools that expand Figma's capabilities and help you insert ready-made design assets faster. Next, in the search bar, type Iconify and open the plugin. Iconify is one of the most useful icon libraries in Figma because it gives you access to thousands of icons in just a few clicks. After the plugin opens, use the search field and type Spiral Notebook. You should see several icon options appear right away. Take a moment to review the results and find the style that best fits your design, whether you want something outlined, filled, simple, or more detailed. Once you find the icon you want, just drag and drop it directly onto your canvas. That's it. The icon will appear in your design and you can resize it, recolor it, or position it wherever you need. If you want to make it match your layout, you can also use Figma's standard editing tools to adjust the size and alignment. This is a really fast way to build clean visual elements for dashboards, notes apps, education designs, and productivity interfaces. And because you're using Iconify, you can repeat the same process anytime you need more icons for your project. So to recap, open Figma Design, go to Actions, open Plugins and Widgets, search and launch Iconify, search for Spiral Notebook, and then drag your chosen icon onto the canvas. It's simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Figma guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.